Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Roblox cursor is going off screen problem. Let's fix it guys. So this problem is most commonly caused by your Windows display settings or Microsoft Store cache files or because of the Roblox version you are using it guys. First make sure Roblox is not running in the background. To do this, click on this arrow icon, right click on the Roblox and select exit guys. You just need to quit it. After doing it, you just need to right click on the display and select display settings. Under the scale layout, you just need to select this option to recommended guys. The same thing for display resolution. Just need to select the recommended one. After doing it, close out of here. Now you can try to play Roblox in full screen mode to verify if the cursor is still going off screen. If the problem persists, then this issue is most likely related to the Microsoft Store version of Roblox guys. To fix this, go to search menu and type installed app. Click on open it guys. Now search for Roblox. Click on the three dot icon over here and select advanced options. You just need to scroll down and select the reset option guys. This will clear the application cache files guys. After doing it, close out of here. Now try to relaunch the Roblox to verify that the cursor problem has been resolved or not. If you still having a problem, let's move on to the second solution guys. Second solution is to download web version of Roblox. To do this, open up Chrome, search for Roblox download and select the official Roblox website. Click on it. Select the download option and download it guys. Now you just want to install it after getting download done. This solution will help you to permanently fix the mouse cursor problem you are getting on the Microsoft Store version guys. After getting installed and log into a Roblox account, and hopefully your problem will be resolved at this point guys. I hope this video helped you. Don't forget to leave a like guys, and you can also support me by subscribing my channel. Thank you.